time to go to the red fruit line. Go, 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 go! Apples bounce and cherries cheer. Red fruits bring a big loud cheer. Can you say red? R-E-D.
Slide to the left, now look who's here. Blueberries rolling full of cheer. Blue is cool like sky so high. Grab a fruit and watch them fly. Say it loud, blue, B-L-U-E.
Spin around and take a seat. Here come pears so soft and sweet. Blue grapes giggle all the way. Jump in the fun, hooray, hooray! Say it loud, blue, B-L-U-E.
Spin around and take a seat. Here come pears so soft and sweet. Green grapes giggle all the way. Jump in the fun, hooray, hooray! G-R-E-E-N, green. Yellow fruits go beep and zoom. Bananas dance around the room. Lemons sing in zippy tunes. Bright like sunshine afternoon.
Y-E-L-L-O-W, say it with a smile.
Orange, you glad it's time for more? Oranges twirl across the floor. Peaches, mangoes join the crew. Orange fruits are fun for you. Let's say orange, O-R-A-N-G-E. Oh,
all the colors in a row. Fruits that help your body grow. In the color fruit factory, we learn and laugh so happily. Say the colors one more time.
red, blue, green, yellow, orange, orange.